Meet me in a standing position near the top of your mat, with your feet together, firmly planted down. Stand tall and bring your hands together at heart center. Anchor your weight down evenly through your feet. Use your toes to help you with balance. Then set your gaze on one non-moving spot ahead of you. This is called your drishti. It's your focus. And when your gaze is set and you are focused, it's as if you put blinders on, not distracted by the things around you. So with your drishti in place, set up tree pose. With your left knee lifting, place the sole of your left foot on your right ankle, right calf, or your right inner thigh. Do not place your foot on your right knee. The location of your foot will depend on the strength of your balance. So find the place where you can stand sturdy and tall, with your gaze set, core firm, weight anchored evenly into your right foot. Stay calm. If you'd like to challenge this balance, close your eyes. And stay focused, even if you've removed your drishti. 3. If you fall out, come right back in. 2. 1. Keep your left knee lifting, but set up a dancer. Reach your left arm down to grab onto the inside of your left foot, with your left thumb pointing towards the back of your mat. Draw your knees back together. Anchor down through your right foot. Set your gaze. Then take a big inhale to lengthen through your right fingertips. And exhale to kick your left foot into your left hand. And take your time as you extend your leg into your hand, because it's the strength of your leg that will open and bow you into this dancer pose. Micro adjustments with every breath. Inhales, lengthen through your heart. Exhales, kick through your foot. And if you fall out, take your time as you gracefully make your way back in every single time. From here, gracefully step your left foot back and reach your arms overhead for crescent lunge. Beautiful. Sink into your legs, always grounding down through whatever is making contact with your mat. Firm up through your core. Set your gaze, because even this pose has an element of balance. And if you're feeling sturdy, you want to challenge that balance, just close your eyes. Well done. Open up into Warrior 2. Spin your back heel down. Sink into your hips, making sure that your right knee is tracking open. Stay relaxed through your shoulders, but firm and strong through your core. So imagine that you are drawing energy up through your legs and shooting it out through your fingertips. Strong, calm, and grounded. From here, set up extended side angle. Lower your right hand down inside of your right shin and reach your left arm high. And use the leverage of your right forearm against your right thigh to both open up through your right inner thigh and to help you lean back through your left shoulder. Then begin to straighten out your right leg for triangle pose. You're welcome to place your hand on your shin, your block, or even down onto your mat. But wherever you are, make sure that you're still leaning back, not caving forward, and breathe as you appreciate the sensation of this deep hamstring opener. Firm up your core and slowly rise. Take your hands to your hips and square off to your right leg, setting up for a pyramid pose. Big inhale. Then exhale to hinge at your hips and fold over your right leg, getting even deeper into your hamstrings for just a couple more deep breaths. Then plant your hands down in front of you and step your left foot forward into a forward fold, top of the mat. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose, come all the way up. Then bring your hands together at heart center and ground down. Whenever something feels chaotic, whether it's life, work, or relationships, it's a sign that you need to ground down. And sometimes it can be as simple as standing firm in your foundation and taking a big breath in, big breath out. And let's set up tree on the opposite side. Place the sole of your right foot on your left ankle, calf, or inner thigh. Ideally the same variation that you took on the other side. Set your gaze and stand firm. Use your breath to keep you calm. As you breathe in and out through your nose, use your gaze to keep you focused, not distracted by anything else around you. And if you did so on the other side, challenge your balance by closing your eyes. And let it be fun. If you fall out, have a good laugh and come right back in. From here, to set up dancer, reach your right hand back to grab onto the inner arch of your right foot, right thumb pointing back. With your right shoulder rolling open, knees together, inhale to lengthen through your left arm, then exhale to kick your right foot into your right hand. Hold and breathe as you lengthen on each breath in and deepen on each breath out. And you may have to shift your drishti from one spot to another. Do so quickly, but stay firm in that new gaze. And remember that falling is not failing. So when you fall down 7 times, get up 8. With grace, step back and find your crescent lunge. Ground down through the ball mount and toes of your back foot. Drive back through your back heel. Then sink into your hips, reach up through your arms, and find your breath in and out through your nose to keep you calm. And if you did so on the other side, try closing your eyes here. Three, 2, 1. Open up into Warrior 2. firm up through your core and feel just how much stronger this posture is. Sinking into your hips, even your arms are strong, fingers are strong, gaze is set. And set up extended side angle. With your left forearm and side of your left thigh, reach your right arm high. And use leverage to help open through your hips and chest in this pose. And for a triangle pose, simply straighten out your left leg. Find the position for your left hand that allows you to stay lifting and open. And remember not to lock out your left knee. A tiny micro bend gives you some control over this pose. Breathe. This hip and hamstring opening is going to do you so good in the next sequence to come. So allow yourself to be here. Appreciate the sensation. Enjoy the stretch. Engage your core and rise. Take your hands to your hips. Square off to your left leg. Take a big breath in. As you breathe out, fold over your left leg for pyramid pose. Take your hands wherever feels comfortable for you. Deepen your breath to stay calm and grounded even within this very intense posture. Relax through your shoulders, through your jaw. And do your best to hinge from your hips. For 3, 2, 1. Step your right foot forward to meet your left in a forward fold at the top of your mat. Big breath in, find halfway lift. Forward fold. Inhale, mountain. Hands at heart center and hold. Take a big breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. 2 more times, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Last time, in through your nose, out through your mouth. And seal your lips and continue breathing smooth and slow in and out through your nose. Whenever life feels chaotic, it's a sign that you need to ground down. Be firm in your foundation, steady in your focus, and calm in your breath. Namaste.